back to my YouTube channel. I am Shruti and this is my birthday vlog. I have to wake up tomorrow at 4 AM as usual. So let's get started. I am turning 20 tomorrow and today is 27th. I thought of recording the intro of this video today itself because the celebrations might begin at 12 itself today, but I don't know. My siblings are doing all the preparations, I guess. So let's see. But I have to wake up tomorrow at 4 AM as usual. So I will try to sleep as early as possible. Of course, 12:30, 12:45 maybe. Let's see how it goes. But right now I'm going for dinner with my siblings and my Chacha because he won't be there tomorrow. So I'm going for dinner and I'll see you there. Put your masks on if you're going outside though. How was the dinner? Hi. We had lots of food. Hello. Heading to home now. Hi guys, so I'm back home. I changed into this cute little night dress that my mother got for me, and I'm with Simba right now. There he is. Okay, so we are turning 20 tomorrow. I'm turning 20 tomorrow, and Simbi turns 1 tomorrow because last year on my birthday he came. I don't know what he is busy doing, but we'll see you soon. It's 10:30 right now, and yeah, we'll see you soon. The celebrations have begun. Oh, wow!
Have sweet dreams.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So it's my birthday morning. It's 28th July, and I'm up. It's 5:46 right now, and yeah, I wake up at 4 AM usually. And yesterday I slept around 12:45, so I didn't manage to wake up at 4 AM, but then I was very slow and a bit sleepy, so I took it very slow and I got off the bed finally by 5 AM and I got ready, and now I'm up for my walk and workout. Actually, it's raining outside and it's very cold, so I'm wearing a kind of light jacket. And let's see if I will be able to do my morning walk because it's raining outside. And yeah, if I'm not able to do my walk, I will do my loose walk session and my workout, and then I will see you soon. We are at Ganesh Mandir and then we'll go to Shiv Mandir. This is called Supteshwar and we'll go to Gupteshwar after this. Okay, तो अब मैं अपने इतने सारे गिफ्ट्स जो मेरे सारे सिबलिंग्स ने दिए हैं, मेरे एक दो फ्रेंड्स ने भिजवाया, अब मैं वो खोलने वाली हूँ. So let's get started. Sim, बर्थडे है क्या? सच्ची में आपका बर्थडे है? आप क्या खाओगे? केक खाओगे? पिज्जा खाओगे? नो? अरे I am so sorry I have not been able to vlog the whole day properly because I am just trying to spend time with my family and just be in the moment right now, because recording it gets a bit difficult. Like I will surely vlog my random days, but the birthday thing is like I'm trying to record bits and pieces here and there, and even my sisters are recording it for me, so I will add all of them. But yeah, it gets a bit difficult. So after I'll just give you a quick snippet of my day. So after the unboxing happened, I had my lunch, then I went for a drive, then after that I just rested for a bit, and now I'm going to change and get ready for, you know, some reels that I wanted to shoot for a long time now. So I will do that, and then I will change again and I will go for dinner with my family outside. Now I will try to record whatever is possible. And yeah, thank you so much for all the wishes. I have received so many wishes from so many of you all, and it just makes me so happy and so blessed to have each one of you. Thank you so much for all the wishes and the love. Thank you for taking out time to wish me. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. I will just go and get ready, and I will see you soon. Hey everyone, so I am ready for my dinner. I am wearing this pretty outfit that my parents gifted me, and I'm wearing the silver jewelry which also my siblings have gifted me. So it's all gifted wear today. It's beautiful. The color is amazing. We are here at the hotel for dinner. Yes. Till the time I reach the the table, I will add the video which this one and Samriddhi had made for me. They even recreated 3 of my pictures, and I will add them. They are beautiful. Please comment below how you like them, okay? So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the birthday vlog. This birthday was amazing. It was so good. Thank you so much for all the wishes and the love, and thank you so much for watching this video once again. If you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and I will see you soon in another video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below your favorite part about the vlog, and I will see you soon. Keep dancing, keep spreading love.